We love you.
B. Pray.
A. Accompany.
S. Support.
T. Treasure.
O. Obey.
R. Recognize.
We appreciate you. Thank you. And we love you. Pastor and Mommy.
Thank you, Pastor Ben and Mommy Hope, for your faithful years of service and unwavering dedication to God's work. We love you.
Salamat, Pastor, kag Ma'am Hope, sa pagtudlo at pagtuytoy sa amon, espirituhanon na pagkakaton. Sabaw sa tanan, salamat gid sa pagdamga niyo sa amon. God bless you. From Missionary Team!